You just smelled what she peed, didn't you? You just smelled that little tinkle she had. Yup.
I'll call you later, babe.
Okay, baby.
Love you.
Love you more.
Bye.
Bye.
To the right, to the right. Okay, so that person is that way.
Okay, they're taking it easy with them. This is the... I looked at the trail and it said that this is the hard part in the beginning, the little upper part. Never come. Or we can follow him so we don't have to run into him.
True.
Yeah, because this will be easier because...
Is it a loop?
We'll do the loop and we'll hit this on the way down.
All right.
And I looked at it, if we go this way, it'll be a lot easier.
I'm down with easy.
That shit's gonna...
There's no... there's no like lip or anything to this.
No lip. You're dipping before you jump.
Yeah, you'd have to really pull up in order to clear that. And you'd have to make it all the way to... I'd say here, but then you got two big roots to...
Down that hill though, you're getting speed.
Yeah, man, this is cool.
You can kill it.
All right.
I realized when I hand it off, I almost pretty much like hold it at the very end so people can't grab it.
It's all good, man. You got small enough fingers.
Yeah, I got fucking long ass.
It sucks when people
fingers.
do that and they got sausage fingers.
Oh,
And
bro,
you're like, where the fuck do I grab that shit at?
It's the Treeman Park and Buttermilk Falls Park loop. You going in there now too and doing it? Oh my god.
She's just going down and getting some water. Good
Hell
girl.
yeah, Angel.
Good girl, Ange.
I'll show you.
Good girl.
Good
Good girl, baby. Good girl. It is.
No dogs allowed. Webster Pond property.
Yo, look at this guy right here.
Oh yeah. Careful she doesn't get through that one.
It's honestly so clear.
Hey, what are you doing on that side? Right over here. Morning.
I see a person in red coming our way.
Maverick, come. Maverick, come.
He's off leash. Come here, you.
I'm in farm prison.
They go back to the car.
Yeah, I think they will. I'm gonna wait till we go a little bit further. Come here. You were skiing with you all. Come here. Maverick, come. Hey. Dude, there's cars back here.
Sick.
Look. Go. We're gonna share the moment in a second.
Angels is just all up inside the car. Yeah.
Dude, I want to come back here with like the roads and let's see. I don't think there's anybody walking. Did you record that too?
Yeah. Yeah, my feet literally started burning, like heating up from the friction.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have blisters on the bottom of my feet from just that quick little run.
That's not a possibility. You see how they slowed down until I had to get in front of them? So then
Yeah.
they zoom.
Yeah. So then they really took
They
off.
said, what?
He's got the shuffle, dog.
Yeah, he does. Fucking.
It's like he's like this.
Bob-a-wee, bob-a-wee, bob-a-wee.
That's 3 miles.
Yeah, I got 3.36.
Yep.
Yep, you can say goodbye.
She's like,
Angel.